Kodi. That's Mr. Bill, Kodi.
You better not chew him up.
Where's your Mr. Bill, Kodi? There he is. There he goes, Kodi. You got Mr. Bill, Kodi. Your favorite. He loves Mr. Bill. Oh. Oh no! What happened, Kodi? Poke it. You got. He likes his doll so much he knows where the button is to poke it. He's poking it with his nose. It's hilarious. Where is it? Well, now he's doing it with his teeth, but he can poke it with his nose. See, he pushes it with his nose. Come on, Roogie. Get out of the way, Roog. You want to pick it up, Roog? You get in the game. Otherwise, you're out of this video, Roog. Not paying you too, Roog. You can stand there and look pretty. All right, Kodi? What are you doing, Kodi? You crazy, Kodi. That's Kodi's little doll. He likes talking to Kodi even. He's talking to you, Kodi. That's Mr. Bill. He's saying, oh no, Kodi. You just chewed him up. Yeah, he said, oh no. Right, Rook? What do you think, Rook?
Are you saying thank you?
What do you think?
It's okay.